Want 100% exclusive solar leads and appointments? Demand Growth Digital specialize in exclusive solar lead generation and appointment booking marketing funnels to scale your business consistently and profitably. Unlike other lead generation companies that send the same lead to you and 10 other solar companies that force you to compete and reduce your profits. Even if you need just 50 exclusive solar leads a month or 5,000 plus, we can help. Our solar clients have seen amazing explosive growth in their businesses. Here's what some of our clients have to say. Best solar leads by far from any I've tried in the past 6 years. Our revenue went from $191,000 a month to well over $2.1 million per month in 5 months. Our sales team are closing almost 50% of the leads and appointments generated by your efforts. Can't thank you enough. William S., solar company owner. 6 months into your Solar Growth Partner Program, I have gone from $75,000 a month in sales to $675,000 a month and have experienced hyper growth in a short time. The low cost per lead and appointments allows us to scale our business. We really appreciate all your efforts. Harry B., solar company owner. Our team of experienced solar digital marketing experts implement proven strategies to generate qualified solar leads and appointments in your area. We offer 2 flexible options. Option 1, pay per lead. You only pay for the solar leads and appointments we generate exclusively for your business with an option to choose English, Spanish, or mixture of leads. Option 2, unlimited leads funnel. You only invest in a fixed monthly rate. We generate as many qualified exclusive solar leads and appointments for your business according to your ad spend. Option to choose English, Spanish, or mixture of leads. You dominate the market or expand to other markets. Our marketing automation technology ensures only the highest quality solar leads and appointments that convert to loyal customers. Take action. Download our $8,340,000 in 6 months solar client free case study and book a free strategy call with us now to learn how our exclusive solar lead generation and appointment booking 8i marketing funnels can guarantee you 20 booked solar appointments and 60 leads in 30 days minimum and help grow your solar business 2 to 5x today.